Hey y'all, hey! I'm back again with another unboxing video. This time I have UrbanSkinRx, one of my most favorite skincare lines I've been using for a couple of years now, and it's really have been doing really great for my skin. So this time I have their beauty box. Now their beauty box is like phenomenal. This is one of my second beauty box that they have, and I have not been disappointed. So this is for the month of September 2020. So I'm gonna show you guys their 10-year anniversary beauty box. So when you first open up, see, what I love about it, they always have something cool and fun, but this time they have, oh, what was this? Oh, they have Fantasia on here, you guys. This is really cool. So it says 10-year anniversary. We start from the bottom, now we glow. All right now, BFS Fantasia and Rachel Ross, CEO and founder. So this is really cute. Okay, you know, we're in quarantine or whatever, or COVID-19 pandemic, you just want to chill and glow up. And so on the back of it, it has a couple of the things that they include in the box. So I'll keep this on the side as we unbox. So let me see what they got. So I have this Split End Therapy one here. And I never really tried it, but apparently I use it for the ends of your hair, I guess throughout, to stop the split ends. This is very, very good. I will be using this because I have a lot of split ends. I'm actually getting a trim on Tuesday and I need it. So this is one of the products. I'm gonna put this on the side. Next up, we have the Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. So what I like about UrbanSkinRx is that they have really nice cleansing bars. They exfoliate my skin so nicely, it starts to glow, I promise you. It's just been super amazing, and I definitely recommend them if you're having, you know, dull skin or hyperpigmentation as I do. Okay, so this is the Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. The really great thing about this is, like their other bars, if you ever tried them, they have the hard cleansing soap already. That smells herbal. It smells a little bit like Jamaican black castor oil, a little bit, very herbally, but as you can see, it's a little brown color. And I love that they give you 2 of the exfoliation pads. So this one's really good. It's 0.7 ounces. The ones you get from Target or even Ulta, they come in a smaller size. So I'm glad that they include the big size. This is the money maker right here, honey. So. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So we're gonna go on to the Even Tone Resurfacing at Home Peel Pads. So now I have never done a chemical peel before. So this will be my first time doing one. So this is really cool. It comes with 12 pads per treatment. So peel pad treatment. So that's pretty good. You can probably get about good, maybe a month worth for this if you do it maybe like twice a month or so, or maybe 3 times, maybe a month and a week. So this is really cool. I have no idea how to use this, you guys. This is something new for me, but we're gonna read into it and see how it works. If you guys want me to do a review on this, I'll be glad to. Just put your comments down below and I'll see if I'll do one. The next product we're gonna pull out is the Purifying 2-in-1 Pumpkin Pore Detox Mask and Scrub. Now I have the full bottle of this. You guys, I love this stuff. It works so nicely. It has a really, you can feel the scrubbing of it when you put it on, and it gets so warm. So you let it sit there for a few minutes and you can just feel your pores just detoxifying everything out of it. So I'm glad I now have a little version of it, so I can take this whenever we go traveling, which I have no idea when we'll do. But all in all, I will be keeping this in my little travel pack. So I'm glad they gave this. And then we have, last but not least, the Super C Brightening Serum. Okay, now I have this. I'm happy they gave me another one because one thing I'm gonna keep real with you guys. I'm gonna keep it real. The first one I had crystals in it. I did not know that high concentration of vitamin C, it creates crystals. So if you shake it up, it creates crystals. If you let it expose the air, it causes crystals. So make sure, if you do get this, make sure you put it in a dark place and don't shake it up too much. Make sure there's no sunlight hitting it or not too much air coming in. Make sure that you really tightly close up the caps. That was the only issue I had with it, but I'm happy I got another one because I love it. It works, you guys, and I've noticed my skin just glow. So let's see what we got. All right. We also have Self-Care Saturday sticker. This is cute. This kind of reminds me of what was that, my favorite, Insecure, when she was like Self-Care Sundays or something like that. Her and Molly was like doing yoga, and last season was amazing. I can't wait for next season. So this kind of reminds me a little bit of that. But yeah, I will be putting this on the rest of my stickers. I do like that they put a little bit of fun stickers. So I forgot to mention, with the Mielle's product, you also get 20% off coupon that they put on here as well. So that's good. You can go ahead and use that on there as well. But nonetheless, you guys, I hope you guys like the unboxing videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.